In this video, I'll show you how to open and verify a Kraken account. To start, open your phone and download the Kraken app from your App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Create Account button to begin. First, enter the email address you want to use for your account and click Continue. Next, create a secure password and select your country of residence. You will also be asked if you want to receive crypto industry updates and news from Kraken, which will come via email. Then click Create Account at the bottom to proceed. After creating your account, Kraken will send an activation code to your email. Open your email inbox, find the code from Kraken, copy it, and paste it into the app. Once entered, click Next, and then continue to move forward. You'll now need to provide your phone number, legal first and last name, and your date of birth. Make sure all the details match your official documents. After that, enter your primary address and your occupation, and then provide the source of your funds. Once all this information is complete, click Next to continue. You will then answer a few additional questions about the purpose of your account and your expected product usage, like whether you plan to trade crypto, make deposits, withdrawals, and how many trades you expect to make per month. The next step is identity verification. Kraken will need access to your camera, so tap on Verify Identity at the bottom. The app will guide you to scan a government-issued ID that matches the personal information you provided earlier. Click Continue, select the country that issued your ID, and then choose the type of document you will use for verification, such as a driver's license, passport, or national ID card. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a clear photo of the front of your ID, making sure all details are readable. Some IDs may require a photo of the back as well. Once the ID photos are submitted, Kraken may ask you to take a selfie or short video to confirm that you are the same person on the ID document. After completing this step, the app will process your verification. If everything checks out, your Kraken account will be fully verified, giving you access to all features including deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Use the link in the description to open your Kraken account and get started securely. This step-by-step process ensures that your account is verified correctly and ready for use.